5 rows and 5 columns are there. To print this pattern program in Java, we need to use 3 individual for loop. One for outer for loop and 2 for inner for loop. Means nested for loop we have to use this. Inside the main for loop we have to use 2 more for loop. It's known as a nested for loop in Java. How it look like students? Row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, row 5, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5. Row 1 can hold 4 spaces and 1 star. Row 2 holds 3 spaces, 2 star. Row 3 contains 2 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 3 star. Row 4 contains 1 space and 4 star, and row 5 contains all 5 stars. Look at here students. To print this pattern program, first we need to put 4 space, then 1 star, 3 space, then 2 star, 2 space, 3 star, 1 space, 4 star, and 5 stars. If I categorize and break this pattern program in the few sections, look at here. We consider it this is our pattern program. First we need to print this space, then we need to print the star. So then we will merge together and it will show this pattern program. So space definitely we will not see the space. The blank things we are going to check and see. After printing this pattern, you will see this space. You will not see anything. There is a bracket place known as the space. We are putting the space. How to implement this pattern programming code in a Google compiler? This we are going to learn this thing. Try to understand what to print this pattern program. We need to use 3 columns, namely I, J, and K. Students. Okay. Namely I, J, and K. We need to print I, J, K. 3 loop I need to use to print this pattern program. I for outer for loop and J and K for nested for loop as well as the inner for loop. Okay. Look at my program and try to understand how it will work inside the programming body. First, class giving a class name pattern underscore is. This is the class name. Let's consider. Second bracket open. Now public static void name within first bracket string. This is capital A R G S, third bracket open close, first bracket close, second bracket open. Now your declaration part need to be complete students. So I will take all 3 variables. Those variables I am going to represent to print the start pattern program. Left bracket start pattern program students. So let's see how it works. Int int space I, J, K. I have taken 3 integer type of variable for implementing the for loop inside the programming body. Look at here. I for the outer for loop, J for to print the space, and K used to print the star. All these two we are using as nested for loop. Now students, see. For I equal to 1 semicolon. How many rows are there students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rows are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look at here. 5 rows. We need to print 5 rows first. I equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, semicolon, I plus plus. Now, second bracket open. Here I close the for loop I. I close the for loop I. Okay. Now, JK is 2 integer type of variable need to be used inside the for loop body as a nested for loop. Inside the main for loop, we need to use 2 more for loop. It's known as a nested for loop students. It is one of the example of using the nested for loop. Now come to the points. For J equal to, this need to be understood. How many spaces are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So I will initialize variable J by 4 semicolon. According to row number, your space value will be 10. So I value is 1. So So here I put j greater than equal to I, semicolon. J minus minus value decrease 4 to 1 minus I value decrease. Row number 1. So value here decrease, that's why j minus minus. Second bracket open. Here system dot out dot print within first bracket within double inverted comma give a space again double inverted comma close first bracket close semicolon. We do not use println students because we need to be implement or we need to be so horizontally side by side, not in a new line students. Space and star both together we need to be print row wise. That things we first need to be understand students. Space and star both together we need to be print. The space number 4 it will start and it will run up to the I rows value. Now second bracket close. It is the one of the nested for loop. With this for loop we need to use outside of this j block k for k. How many stars are in the first row? 1. So k I initialize the variable k1 semicolon. K less than equal to I. K less than equal to I. Now I value, what will be the I value? Then it will run up to the I semicolon. Now k plus plus. Bracket close. Second bracket open. Right here system dot out dot print ln. Sorry, not ln, print within first bracket within double inverted comma right star double inverted comma close first bracket close semicolon second bracket close. This one I am using for print the star, and now we have to write here system dot out dot print ln first bracket open close semicolon to print the new space. In between these two second bracket we need to write this one. Now see how it will work and how it will print this star according to this pattern, left right pattern. So already I have seen you students. This one is our original pattern. First we need to print the space. Next we need to print the star. So let's say I equal to 1. I equal to 1. I is equal to 5. Condition 2 or definitely I value is 1. So 1 less than equal to 5. Condition 2 it will come in this volume 4. Now j is starting from the 4. Correct, understand? Now I value is 1. 4 greater than equal to 1. 4 greater than equal to 1. Condition true? Yes, condition true. Then it will come to here. Print one space. Print one space. J minus minus. Now j value is becoming 3. Then it will come here. J value is becoming 3. 3 greater than equal to also 1. Condition true. It will come once again here and print one more space. Now j minus minus. Now j minus is becoming 2. 2 greater than equal to 1. Condition true. Print one more blank space. Print one more blank space students. Print one more blank space. Now j minus minus. Now j minus is becoming 1. 1 greater than equal to 1. 1 greater than equal to 1. So j value is now 1 and I value is 1. So 1 greater than equal to 1. Condition 2. Come to this section, print one more space. Now j minus minus. J is now becoming 0. 0 greater than equal to 1. Definitely our condition wrong. Then we will come to here. For students, now k starting from 1 and I value is 1. So 1 less than equal to 1. Condition true, definitely true. It will print one more star. It will print one star. Only one star. Now is k plus plus. Now k plus plus. Now k value is becoming 2. 2 greater than equal to 1. Condition false. It will come out of this loop and come here. System dot out dot print ln. Then your cursor blinking here. Then your cursor blinking here. The next line, new line. System dot out dot print ln indicates the new line. Next line. You come to this line. Your cursor comes to the next line and blinking here. Now I plus. Now I value is becoming 2. Clear? Now j again starting from 4 because I have initialized the value 4. J again starting from 4. 4 greater than equal to 2. Condition is true. Yes, it will come to here. Print one space. Print one space. J minus minus. Now j is becoming 3. 3 greater than equal to I. Now I value is 2. Definitely our condition true. Correct? It will come here and print one more space. J minus minus. Now j is becoming 2. Now 2 greater than equal to 2. Condition true. Print one more space. Now j minus minus. J is becoming 1. 1 less than equal to 2. 1 less than equal to 2. Condition false. It will come to this section. System dot outer println. Then we have cursor. Sorry. Then it will come to this section. K section. K panel. This inner column it will come. Now k equal to 1. K is starting from 1. 1 now I value is 2. Look at here. K value is 1 and I value is 2. So 1 less than equal to 2. Condition true. Print one star. Now k plus plus. It will come here. K plus plus. Now k value is becoming 2. 2 less than equal to. Now I value is 2. 2 less than equal to 2. Condition true. Print one more star here. K plus plus. Now k value is becoming 3. Now 3 less than equal to I value is 2. Condition false. Then it will come to here. System dot outer println. And your cursor is blinking here. Now I plus plus. Now I value is becoming 3. 3 less than equal to 5. Condition true. Come to this inner section loop body. J equal to 4. J again start from 4. 4 greater than equal to 3. 4 greater than equal to 3. Condition true. Print one space. J minus minus. Now j is becoming 3. Now 3 greater than equal to 3. Yes, condition true. Now j value is 3 and I value is 3. Now 3 greater than equal to 3. Condition true. Come to this section. Print one space. One more space. It will print. Now j minus minus. Now j is becoming 2. 2 greater than equal to 3. Condition wrong. Then it will come to the k section. Medieval k section. This is the column. K again start from 1. Now I value is 3. 1 less than equal to 3. Condition true. Print one star. K plus plus. Now k value is becoming 2. Now 2 less than equal to 3. Condition correct. Print one star. K plus plus. K value is becoming 3. Now 3 less than equal to 3. K value is 3 and I value is 3. So condition correct. It will print one more star. K plus plus. Now K value is becoming 4. 4 less than equal to 3. Condition false. It will print. It will come to the next line. System dot outer println. Your cursor blinking over here in the next line. Now I plus plus. I value is now 4. J again start from the 4. J again start from the 4. So 4 greater than equal to 4. Condition correct. Print one space. J minus minus. J value is becoming 3. 1 number decrease. Now 3 greater than equal to 4. I value is 4. 3 greater than equal to 4. J value is now 3 and I value is now 4. 3 greater than equal to 4. Condition false. We will come to this section. Okay. Now k value is again start from the 1. 1 less than equal to 4. I value is 4. 1 less than equal to 4. Condition 2. Print one star. Then k plus plus. K is becoming 2. 2 less than equal to 4. Condition 2. Print one star. Now k plus plus. Now k value is 3. 3 less than equal to I value 4. 3 less than equal to I value 4. Now condition 2. It will come once again. Print one star. K plus plus. Now k value is 4. 4 less than equal to 4. Now k value is 4 and I value also 4. So 4 less than equal to 4. Condition 2. Print one more star here. Print one more star here. K plus plus. Now k value is becoming 5. Now k value is becoming 5. Now 5 less than equal to 4. Condition wrong. It will come to here. New line. Your cursor is blinking here. Now I value is becoming 5. I value is becoming 5. 5 less than equal to 5. condition 2, it will come to this line 4. 4 greater than equal to 5, it will again start from 4. 4 greater than equal to 5. Students, 4 greater than equal to 5. No, our condition wrong. It will send the logic to the variable k. This section. K again start from 1. Okay, so no space should be there because our condition was wrong here. So it will come directly here. K equal to 1, 1 less than equal to 5. K value 1, I value is 5. 1 less than equal to 5, condition 2, it will come this section, print 1 star. Print 1 star. K plus plus, K value is becoming 2. 2 less than equal to 5. Condition 2, print 1 more star. K plus plus, K is becoming 3. 3 less than equal to 5. 3 less than equal to 5, print 1 more star. Now K value is becoming 4. Now 4 less than equal to 5. Now K value is 4, I value is 5. K 4 less than equal to 5, condition 2, print 1 more star. K plus plus, and K value is also becoming 5. Now 5 less than equal to 5, condition 2, come to this section, print 1 star. Now K plus plus, now K value is becoming 6. 6 less than equal to 5, condition wrong, it will come to this section. Now it will come to this section. System dot outer println. Your cursor is blinking here. Now I plus plus, I value is becoming 6. 6 less than equal to 5. I value 6 and condition I have given less than equal to 5. Our condition wrong. Now it will totally abort and exit from the program students. So this is our code to print this left triangle pattern program students. I hope everybody has understood. And for your betterment, everyone can implement this programming code into your PC through using the Bridge compiler students. Thank you very much students. I hope everybody, once again I hope that students everybody understood my logic, how I have represented the program students in front of you. How I have represented this program to you students, I hope that everybody has understood. So please, everyone can implement this program into your PC and using the Bridge compiler, then implement this students. So this is our left triangle star pattern program, implement it into your PC. Thank you.